Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can check your KCSE results 2022 using the KNEC Portal. First, let's discuss about the SMS option. To use the SMS, you are just needed to send your index number followed by the initials KCSE, and it should be capitalized to 20076. So this is the format: your index number and then initials KCSE capitalized. Send it to 20076. Now let's go to the second option using the KNEC Portal. First, you need to proceed to the KNEC Portal. I will provide a link in the description. So this is the link, you'll find it in the description, and you'll find yourself in this KNEC Portal. As you can see, it has two sections, one for KCPE and the second one for KCSE. So for us, we need the option for KCSE. As you can see, it has around 6 to 8 tabs, starting from candidate registration, confirmed registration, projects, performance analysis, online results, qualifying, test registration, supervision. So we need online results. We need online results. So go ahead and click on online results. Now, as you can see, this is the authentication page. First, it will ask you for the username, and the second one, it will ask you for the password. Now, this is where a very big problem arises. As you know that, of course, the username is the school code. So you can just use your school code right here. Now for the password, I think this way now we get a problem. Normally the password is normally obtained from the school administrator or normally the school principal. So it's only the school administrator or the school principal who has access to this KNEC Portal. Now, you as a student, you don't have that privileges to get the password, and the best solution I suggest is to use the SMS option to get your own individual results. Of course, I know that the KNEC Portal it's used for to check the results for the entire school. But the problem is that it's only the school administrator or the school principal has the password for the KNEC Portal. So guys, just proceed and use the SMS. Now my suggestion for the KNEC Portal, I would advise you to just contact your school principal and then ask them to download the results from the KNEC Portal. I think that's the best solution for you to check your results for the entire school. Lastly guys, for the upcoming announcements from the Ministry of Education, we shall be updating you right here. So ensure you have subscribed to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on the updates we are making on announcements and the performance So see you in the next video.